Wow, we covered a lot of topics. We learned about farm animals, how we treat them, and the impact of the farming industry on our nature. Now it's time to get active. Let's have a look what we can do to help animals and our planet. We know that the feelings of farm animals are not so different from ours. Like us, they feel happiness and joy, but also pain and sadness. Have you heard of the golden rule? Treat others as you would like others to treat you. To follow the golden rule means be kind, be patient, be friendly. Let's tell many others about it. The more people follow this easy rule, the bigger the chance that lots of animals are treated well. Like our friend Surya, he is speaking up for the animals in India.
All the animals are our friends, treat them as friends, and you love them, they'll love you back.
If you have farm animals at home, treat them like members of your family. Like our friend Hermine with her chickens. I keep the chickens the way I do it because I believe that humans and chickens should be treated the same. Hermine and many young people around the world follow the golden rule. They are friendly and kind to all animals. When we choose our food, we take on a responsibility. At home with the family, it is not always easy to have an impact on what we are eating. But the most important thing is to always remember that milk, eggs and meat all come from animals. Our colleague Ali from Morocco thinks a lot about what he eats.
Hola, yo me llamo Ali.
Hello, my name is Ali.
Cuando era pequeño,
When I was young, I ate everything.
y al cumplir 20 años,
When I was 20 years old, I stopped eating all meat and fish,
pescado. Y ahora,
and now I'm a vegetarian.
And our friend Diana in Colombia is also really motivated about this topic.
Hola, soy Diana.
Hello, I'm Diana.
Me gustaría compartir
I would like to share with all children how we can eat good food and grow strong,
bien, crecer bien fuerte,
protect our Mother Earth and the animals.
protegiendo nuestra madre tierra.
In conclusion, let's always remember where our food comes from and that we all have a choice how many animal products we are eating. How can we achieve most to help animals and our planet? When we work together. There are already many groups and active people working for the protection of animals, our nature and the climate. You can become a member or a volunteer, or you can ask your teacher to start a club or a group at your school. Like our friend Jackson, he founded an animal welfare club on his college in Tanzania. It has now over 100 members. At Animals Angels, we turned our passion for animals into our job. Like my colleague Helena from Germany.
Hello, my name is Helena. I've always wanted to do something for the so-called farm animals because they really need our protection. Therefore, I work for the animal welfare organization Animals Angels, where we actively stand up for them.
And Julia Hafenstein, the president of Animals Angels, also has an important message for you.
Since I was a kid, the animals have been always very important to me and part of my life. Therefore, I'm happy that there are more and more people who care for the animals. You, the younger people, are the acting citizens of tomorrow. Show kindness and respect to the animals for a better life for all of us.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot and found some good ideas how to get active for the animals and our planet. Let's all do our little bit to make this world a happier and friendly place for everyone.